Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm going to be showing you Eagle Reserve. Okay, very nice Fulton Homes community located in Fort Myers, Florida. This community here, it's very close to the airport, beaches, downtown Fort Myers. It's right in the middle. Okay, very nice community. How it works here is I'm going to show you. This is the future pool area for this community and playground. It's going to be open in a couple weeks. They're going to call me up for me to be able to film it when they're done. See, it has a resort amenities coming this summer. Check out the picture. Okay. Over here to my left, these are all the model homes that they have here. Very well decorated, very nice. I was impressed. Very good. They were very nice. So I hope you watch them all on my videos. They're all gonna be there. So if you're thinking about watching them, just hit that subscribe button, and as soon as they come up, you'll be able to see them. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little drive-by so you get to see what the community looks like. Still under construction, a lot of construction going on. They have over, I think it's 175 lots, and they already sold 100. So they got 75 more or less available. Okay. I'll show you over here. There's no more construction vehicles. I can show you what the homes looks like. Check it out. Very nice homes. You have views to the preserve and also to lakes if you're getting your lot. Sorry the video is not clear. The problem is this is not my regular rig for driving and filming at the same time. I just came to do the models, and I didn't have my rig for the car that I usually use. Check out all these new ones coming up. Very nice. I mean, this community, I mean, it's like I said before, it's really close to everything. If you're planning to move to Fort Myers, you have you got the location, like they say, location. You have the airport, you have Cape Coral, you have downtown Fort Myers, you got the beaches. You're probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes away from everything. Very nice place. Check out all the lots that's still available. Gonna have a total of 175 units, so it's not really that humongous. Southwest Florida, you know, it's being built up. Still got time, but the rate that people are moving, you should start thinking and consider it a little bit more. Because everything stays the same, the economy stays the same, and everything stays the same. You know, it's gonna homes and a lot of good communities. Even though we got plenty of land, so we'll still have more new communities coming up. Well, I hope you're enjoying this video of Eagles Reserve. If you would like more information, please feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. We'll be glad to help you with this community or any other in Southwest Florida. My wife and I have been doing this over 20 years selling real estate, so we're very familiar with the new communities now and the older communities. So, basically, I don't think I missed a road. It's just a big circle, and I'm back in the main street where I started. So tell me what you think. I know it doesn't look really nice now because you got all these trucks and all this construction all over the place, but when you look at the homes itself, look how beautiful they are. I like the different tile roof and the different style of homes. This video. Still a little more. Let me show you a little more. Let me show you. This way you get the other side. Okay, I'm gonna show you a closer look. Because when I made the videos, I promised you guys that I was gonna show you the homes from right in front of it, because I couldn't because of the little fence. But here are the homes, the canopy. This is the 2-story Driftwood. This one is the dock side. That's the one that is more people tend to seem to like it, the dock side. Okay, and over here, the resort amenities coming soon. I'll be filming that probably like in a week or two. They told me they were going to call me when they have it done. Over here is where all your post office, all your mail comes in. That's where you pick it up. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us with any questions on real estate in Southwest Florida. I already said the phone before, but I'll say it again. 239-410-7372. If you would like to see more videos like this on new communities and motorhomes and resales and different areas throughout Southwest Florida, hit that subscribe button, and I hope I get to meet you one day. Okay? And for my subscribers, thank you for participating in my channel, and I'll be bringing new stuff starting probably in 2 weeks and middle of next month, November. So just keep watching, and you're gonna take you a couple places that people love to come to Southwest Florida for. Okay, so stay tuned, and see you on the next video.